Hello to all. My presentation is about the Anthrax surveillance system in One Health context. I am Smaila Alidou from Togo. For those who do not, Togo is a large country between Benin, Ghana, and Burkina Faso. My presentation will follow this outline. Anthrax is a serious zoonosis caused by gram-positive root-shot bacteria Bacillus anthracis is naturally present in soil. Susceptible hosts are domestic herbivore and wild animals. Animals are contaminated by ingestion or inhaling spore in soil and or water during grazing, and the human contaminant is either occupational or through the handling or consume of infected meat. This second mode is of contamination that was most reported in our community until 2009. Anthrax has a world distribution with endemic area where frequent outbreaks are reported. The annual worldwide incidence is estimated at between 20 and 100,000 cases. 1.83 billion people living within risk area. In Togo, human and animal cases are reported with strong incidence in the Savannah and the Kara region. Between 2008 and 2010, 1,700 annual cases and 40 human cases with 6 deaths were reported in Togo. We have a lot of economic loss. The focus, Anthrax surveillance is immediately notifies zoonosis under surveillance. Purpose of Anthrax surveillance system is early detection, estimation of incidence, spatial and temporal distribution, monitoring of causes field, supervision of the disease prevent and control program, and protection of the health of the population. This is the Anthrax system surveillance. In basic of the system, we have the community health worker, animal health worker, farmers, butchers. The community surveillance, they make alert reporting of dead animal. And in the second level of system, you have livestock technician, health technician, make investigation, even shell, inspection seizure of suspect shell, notification of FN. And in the last third, we have the doctor who make investigation and reports. The acceptability and the useful of the system. We can say that the system is acceptable. Actor regularly notify the cases. Notification circuit is known and mastered by the SACFRUN. Role of circuit is clear. In conclusion, I say that the Anthrax surveillance system plays its role in health monitoring, actor regular notifications through passive and active surveillance, implementation of sanitary measures, seizure of character safe, viral vaccination campaign for castle were organized last 2024, constitute indicator of the impact of the system. I want to greet ending pandemic and all persons who give me this opportunity to talk about Anthrax surveillance in my country. Thank you.